Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Duolingo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Duolingo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Duolingo application. The homepage of Duolingo application will appear on the screen. Click on flag icon at the top left corner of the page. From the drop down, click on plus icon. Choose the language that you prefer and tap on it. You can also click on more for other language options as well. Click on the preferred language and click on continue. Select your proficiency and tap on continue. Follow the prompts till the end and that's how you will be able to change your language on Duolingo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.